Hi, this is Maria from Crochet Fashion, and in this video tutorial you will see how to make easy to make fingerless gloves for beginners. For this project you just need to get 7mm crochet hook and a ball of variegated yarn. You can use one color of yarn, 100 meters in 100 grams, and let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My foundation chain is ready. Continue. Make a chain for transition part and pull it. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make a slip stitch and make slip stitch into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Work into the each chain stitch. So I'm working on the first row of my swatch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. Make some slip stitches. My first row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. I'm going to work on another pattern. It is easy to make pattern. For this, make a chain, pull it and turn the work. I will turn the work in one direction. They are back loops and front loops. I'm working with back loops only. Make a slip stitch into the each back loop of the next stitch. Pattern consists of one row and pattern has one stitch. I remind you, I made foundation chain of 20 chains for this pattern. In your case, it could be more or less, it depends on your hand. I remind you all additional information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links on the another patterns could be found in the description of each video tutorial. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I'm crocheting faster. It is very easy to make patterns, so you don't need special skills. It could be even for beginners. One, and make the last one. Here what I have. Make a chain, pull it, and turn the work like this. I'm turning the work always in one direction and to work in back loops only. Pattern consists of one row and has one stitch. So you should crochet as many times as you need for your swatch. Then I will show you how to join two sides together to create the whole project. I am crocheting very fast, so I will show you how to finish this row. For this project, you can use your favorite color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. I am using variegated yarn and the hook that is comfortable for me. Make the last slip stitch. Make a chain, turn the work like this, and work with back loops only. Make slip stitch into each back loop. Then you should crochet as many times as you need for your project. My swatch is ready. Here how it looks. The size of the swatch you determine by yourself. You should try it on your hand. So this is double-sided swatch. You can use any side. I would like to measure my swatch. The height is 16 centimeters. And the second side, it is 17 centimeters, 5 millimeters. But my swatch a little bit stretchy, so it could be more. I just need to join two sides together to create the ready project. And also I will show you how to crochet the hole for my finger. This is the beginning of the work. It is closer to me. I put them together. I will work in this direction. In my case, I'm going to join using the crochet hook. So I turn the work, I insert the hook into the working loop like this, and now I show you how to join two sides together. For this, make a chain as I did before, pull it. Now insert the hook into the first stitch in the first side, then insert the hook into the back loop of the last row and make a slip stitch. Continue, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, make slip stitch. This is the second one. In total it should be 9 of them. Three, insert the hook into the stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, make a slip stitch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then I leave the small hole for my finger. And now I show you how to make it. And now I continue working on my fingerless glove. Now I show you how to make the hole for my finger. Now I'm working on the slip stitches. So work with one side only. You can do it on this side or on the opposite. Make slip stitch 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert the hook into the next stitch. I skip on the opposite side 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 5th back loop. Grab the working loop, pull it through. Continue working on the joining seam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's stop and look. My joining seam is ready. There is the hole there. This is the back side of my project. Then, to secure the yarn by making a chain, I will cut off my yarn and remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the project. Let's look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks on my hands. This is a very easy and quick to make project. So you don't need special skills, you just need to know how to make slip stitches and chains. It will be perfect for beginners or for people who don't have experience in crocheting. This is the warm and cozy fingerless gloves. You can decorate them using the small flowers, leaves, or another small elements. You will get them for one evening. But for this project you just need to get a ball of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. My seam is not visible on the front side. Please share this video if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. This pattern, I remind you, you can use only this pattern and use them in another project. It depends on your imagination and your mood. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting. Bye.